Hello witches and wizards, and welcome back to Lovegood Bath Potions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another Accio box unboxing. This one is for August of 2018. I'm actually a part of this month's box. I made a certain bath product to go inside of it, and I cannot wait to see what other people made to go along with it. So let's get started. As soon as I open this box, I can already smell the bath bomb, which is really, really nice actually. I also can see the little pamphlet on top. I'm trying not to look at it too much. Let's see, I was right, it is the Wizard Wheezes box. So the first item that I see is the bath bomb that I made. So I guess let's just open it up and get it out of the way. This is what it looks like. Lovegood Bath Potions Peruvian Instant Darkness Powder. I put these little firecrackery stickers on it. I thought it added just a little bit of extra color. I thought that was very Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. I don't know, I just thought it added a little bit. It might be a little cheesy, but I think it looks cute. I can already smell it. I smelled it as soon as I opened the box. Still smells really good, smells just like tea tree. I love tea tree oil. It's really crumbly looking, really powdery. Some of these that I made came out more like a brick, but this one actually is very powdery, so hopefully they all just kind of turned to powder during shipment. Let's just put all that on the floor. That's fine. Next thing that I see, I don't know what this is. It says extendable ears. It's like a coaster, maybe? Let's see. Okay, so it buckles together, has these little snaps on it. Extendable ears. What is this? Let's see. Okay, I have to look at the pamphlet. I have to see what this is. Cord keeper. Oh, okay. So you put your headphones in it and it keeps it like so they don't get tangled up. That is a really cute idea. I wish I would have had this when I was just traveling. Like not even a couple days ago, I was just traveling. I could have really used this. That's so cool. Perfect for traveling. Perfect for when you're on the go. Keeps your headphones from getting tangled up. That's really neat. Sure, if this is my one house item, it is red. Use this cute functional house themed neoprene sleeve. Okay, so this is my house item. Okay, that's really cool. Cool, cool, cool. Next item, I see a sticker. Maybe it's a decal. Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. The Magical World's #1 joke shop, 93 Diagon Alley, London. I love this decal. I think this is a car decal. I don't have a car, so I might put it on my laptop. Or, oh, I don't know where else. Maybe on a mirror or something, because I don't have a car. But this is really cool. It looks really good quality. It's really cute, and I love that purple color. That's like perfect Weasley purple. The next item is a little Pygmy Puff. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Let's see, it just says Accio box on it, so I'm guessing it's an Accio box exclusive. I don't know who made it, but I think this is so cute. Let me take it out of the wrapping here. I don't have a lot of these enamel pins. I know a lot of people that collect them, but I myself don't collect enamel pins. I just kind of keep them all on my shelf on the little backing like this. Okay, and the last item is a t-shirt. Let's get all the paper off. that's so cool. It's a staff shirt. It has the W and a staff. So it's like you're working at Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. How cool is that? Ask me about our Wildfire Whiz Bangs. That is so cool. This again is a medium. I always order a medium, and Accio mediums are always really big for me. I guess I'm just really small, but normally when I order a small somewhere, it's just too tight. So what I normally do with these is I like to crop them, cut the sleeves, you know, do a little bit of DIY. I think that's always fun. But I absolutely love this. I love this royal purple color. I think it goes really good with my hair. What do you think? It's a really soft t-shirt. It doesn't feel very cheap. It is thin, but it feels really soft. So I think that's really nice. And, okay, I think that's it for the Weasley's Wizard Wheezes box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me opening up my next Accio box. This is the Weasley's Wizard Wheezes August 2018 box. A box that Lovegood Bath Potions is actually in this month, which I absolutely love. I think it's pretty cool to be able to say that I was in an Accio box and that I'm an artist and I handmade these items, and I'm really excited for everybody to try them out. I hope you guys love them. I hope it makes your bath look really cool and magical, and I can't wait to see all of your guys' pictures and videos. Make sure to use Lovegood Bath Potions as a hashtag, and also that's my Instagram handle and a Facebook page. I also made a whole video showing the behind the scenes on how I bagged and made all of these Peruvian Instant Darkness Powder bath products for Accio Box. I will start editing that as soon as I'm done editing this Accio Box unboxing video, and hopefully getting it up soon. Can't wait for you guys to see it, and until next time.